See, I'll make $1 million in the next 6 months, man. But realistically, at least 250,000 in the next 6 months. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see y'all go get that paper, man. Nigga ain't got time to hate on nobody. When you having real emotion, you ain't got time to hate on nobody. I'm not no financial advisor or nothing, nigga. I just know how to get money.
What's happening? Yeah, back active with another video here on Uncommon Sense, man, and you already know the move, man. Yeah, well, we give our uncommon perspective on motion. Any motion, most motion, all motion. Yeah. You know what I mean? That's what we doing, man. So look, doing something a little different, man. You know what I'm saying? From the title, you can see we tapping in with Money Man and his uncommon thoughts on how to get this money on, how to up your game. Because you know, here on Uncommon Sense, we all about upping your game. So look, man, finna get straight into the video. Let's see what Money Man got to say about making these millions. But before we do that, go and hit that subscribe button. I ain't showing no Money Man until I ain't giving you no tips. Money ain't finna give you no free game until you hit the subscribe. And that's free. Free game, free action. Hit the subscribe, man. Thank you. Now, let's get into what Money got to say about getting this money on, man.
See, I'll make $1 million in the next 6 months, man. But realistically, at least 250,000 in the next 6 months. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see y'all go get that paper, man. Nigga ain't got time to hate on nobody. When you having real emotion, you ain't got time to hate on nobody. I'm not no financial advisor or nothing, nigga. I just know how to get money. You know, niggas got a knack for that money. My life path is an 8. 8 is the boss, man. Get money, you know what I'm saying? Materialistic realm, I'm an 8. Some is 4, some is 6s, 1s. You know what I'm saying? Some niggas gotta attach the other to get money. It just is what it is. It just is what it is. You get what I'm saying? Some don't gotta.
You know what? That's true. That's very true, bro. The bandman Kevo said it the best one time. Shout out, like, his first step into success and getting somewhere, he brought value to people who already had motion, and he ain't give a f. It was just running to the store for him. He helped bring value, helped bring moves to the table of somebody who already had money. Value, you know what I mean? He brought value to that person, and that's smart. That's a good step. Some people don't have the greatest knack or ideas to getting money, so the best thing to do is get around somebody else that do. And it ain't like lynching or nothing, or leeching or anything. It's just like, let it be a natural, organic motion for you to get around somebody who got some money, got some motion, and then just go from there. It is smart. You know what I mean? It's a smart thing to do. So yeah, I dig that rule.
Some niggas don't got a knack for getting money, so you attach yourself to niggas who get money so you can get money. You gotta learn life, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I didn't have a knack for getting money, I would go attach myself to somebody who get money so I can learn from them. You know what I'm saying? Some niggas it click with, everybody different. Some niggas linemen, some niggas quarterbacks, some niggas running backs, some niggas receivers, some niggas point guards, some niggas centers, some niggas small forwards, some niggas can shoot, some niggas can jump high and dunk. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't have the same quality. So if you know you don't have a knack for getting money, which is, it's a 1% and a 99%, nigga, you follow niggas who get money and you figure out how you get money. You know what I'm saying? You can't follow a broke nigga to get money. He gonna lead you to being broke. You know what I'm saying? And that's no disrespect to nobody. You know, if me saying broke nigga hurts you, that means it's just time to step up. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, the goal is to goddamn buy more cars, buy more ice, leave money for your kids. You know what I'm saying? Turn up. You only got one life to live. What the fuck you waiting for? Nigga, you got one life. As we know, you know, reincarnation could be real.
And that's true too. That's another strong point, Money Man. You just made something else make sense. Like, what he's saying by you got one life is literally like, I'm saying, bro, I don't have that much time. Nope. I ain't got time to be playing with you, man. Every year go by is another year added on to where another opportunity to where I might not be here. I don't have no time to be playing, man. I got one life. I don't have no restart button on my life, shawty. I ain't got time to be playing. You know what I'm saying? Time is everything. Life is everything. I have no time to be sitting back plan. I gotta get to the money. I gotta get to the motion. I gotta make things happen with a sense of urgency, shawty. Yeah, man.
As of right now, nigga, I had an ego death and I didn't see nothing. I didn't see light or darkness. So I'm like, nigga, we got one life to live. Nigga, you better make the most out of this shit. You better make sure you rich, your kids rich, nigga, your bitch rich. Fuck you doing? That's why I say niggas be wasting time, man. You can't be wasting no time. Time is valuable, man. Time is more valuable than gold, platinum, copper, nigga, titanium, lithium. Nigga, use your time wisely, you know what I'm saying? Like, better exert that effort to go get that bag. I don't even be wanting to go to sleep, nigga. I only sleep when I'm exhausted. I do so much in the day, I'm going to sleep when I'm exhausted, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't sleeping for no reason. I feel like I'm missing money. Can't stay down too long. Nah, you never supposed to stay down. And you wanna, if you take a loss, you wanna be winning while you take a loss, you know what I'm saying? That way that shit don't affect you, you know what I'm saying? Real talk, yeah, that's real spit. You know what I'm saying? I just be trying to goddamn kick a little game, you know what I mean? You know how this shit go, man. Nigga don't do too much. Just get this money, make good music, get this money, live this life, you know what I'm saying? And shit, if you don't want to hustle, nigga, live that shit through me. You know what I'm saying? I'll do it. But I don't think nobody just want to be down and out. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying material everything, but nigga, you better be buying what life has to offer. You know what I'm saying? Like, life got to offer a lot of shit. So you need to be experiencing this shit. It's a big world out this motherfucker. You can't be trapped in a box. That's why
You know, I never heard nobody else put it like that. Like, that's real smooth. Like, I mean, you've heard the phrase before, but Money Man, he's making it make sense. Uncommon sense. He's making it make sense, though. Life has too much to offer, bro. Why would you be depressed? Why would you be down? Why would you be negative vibrations, shawty? Why? It's too much wonderful things to tap into out here. Too much. It's a lot of bad things, and it's a lot of good things. Why are you choosing the bad? Go get what this shit got life has for you. Life has a lot of things, man. It's a lot of space on this planet to be observed by your eyes and your experiences, man. Go tap into them, man. I like how you put that.
a life hack. So you can get your first 100,000 and go experience the world, nigga. That shit'll motivate you. You know what I'm saying? Like some of y'all niggas got down smashing a bad bitch will motivate you to go get some more money. You know what I'm saying? Or you got your kids, looking at your kids starving to motivate you to go get some more money. You know what I'm saying? All my niggas locked up who be tuning into my shit. Nigga, you might hear something I say, that shit might motivate you. Shit, when I get out, I'm gonna goddamn go up on these folks. So shit, even behind these walls, I'm gonna go up on these folks. You know what I'm saying? Shit about power, money and power. You know what I'm saying? Everybody money don't spend the same either. So you want money and power. You know what I'm saying? Inflation is making it hard to make money. Inflation not making it hard to make money. You gotta figure out where the money at, and you gotta go get it. It should be obvious. Once it click, it click. Once it click, and you become a money maker, you're a money maker. Find out where all the money at. You know what I'm saying? And then you go over there where the money at.
And that's true too, bro. And I mean, I got to say this. When I try to stay away from weird excuses that seem so plausible. It seems like an excuse to where it would make sense to most folks, but an excuse is an excuse. Inflation ain't got nothing to do with you getting money. The president, the government, anything that's going on, bro, that should never stop. I personally don't care who the president is. I personally don't care what the government doing for nobody. I don't care what the job market doing with this. I don't care nothing about that, shawty. I go get it. Inflation, all that I don't let that control my emotion. It has nothing to do with me going, handling business, staying creative, and staying innovative and staying positive to making things happen for me. I don't let that slow me down. I don't care what the president finna do for the American people. I don't care. I don't watch the news on that tip to get that type of information and be like, damn, well, I ain't finna make no money. The government finna go and shut down. No, bro, I'm the president. I'm the president of me, bro. I'm my own president, bro. I'm my own money circulation. I'm my own economy, myself. I don't tap into that. So that's what I suggest you do. It sounds good. It sounds like it should be a reason why you can get money, but it should never be a reason why you ain't got no motion, because what's going on outside, man. Start on the inside and everything else will be okay for you on the outside. You deal with me?
Like a nigga can't give you a handbook and tell you exactly how to make, well, I showed y'all exactly how to make 100K. I'm showing you exactly how to make 100K in my music. Or more, if you got a little patience, you know what I'm saying? And common sense. I'm showing you exactly how to make your first 100K. Some niggas ain't never feasted their eyes on 100,000 cash at one time. I'm showing you how to feast your eyes on it. Or at least in your account, you know what I'm saying? Best what? Best investment? Yourself. Invest in yourself. You a brand. Invest in yourself. When you push up on me, I'm supposed to look at you and be like, oh, okay, this is a nigga I want to make some money with. This is a nigga I want to conversate with. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is a nigga who's worth me giving my time to. Now, if you a fan, you know, it's always worth that. You know what I'm saying? Because you support a nigga. But if you coming up to me on some business shit trying to make some money, then I need to look at you and be like, okay, bro, got his shit together. Let me chop it up with him, see what we can do. You bring something to the table, you know what I'm saying? Invest in yourself. Bring some value, you know what I'm saying? Got to have more than one lane. You can have one lane, or you can have 5 lanes. One lane can bring you $1 billion. Nigga, Apple is one lane. Apple brought in billions of dollars. They don't need 10 companies. You need five to 10 sources of income because you don't know what your one lane is. Five sources of income is for people who don't know what their one lane is. Mayweather box. Mayweather had one lane. That's all he need to do is box. He's the best at it. He got one lane. You get what I'm saying? Michael Jordan needed shoes because they were paying less back then. You know what I'm saying? Figure out your lane. Don't jump in nobody else shit. Stay in your lane. And master that motherfucker. You heard of the 18-minute rule. You do something for 18 minutes a day, goddamn, you better than 99% of people on this planet at it. Start tomorrow.
And there you go, bro. You know what I mean? Like, start tomorrow. Start tomorrow. Hey, man, you ain't got to be great to start, but you got to start to be great. You got to start somewhere if you want to be great. You ain't got to be great when you start. But if you want to be great, you got to start. And you got to start somewhere, man. Start tomorrow, man. Start today. Start now. Cut the video off and go straight into the greatness, man. Real talk, man. I love Money Man. How you thinking? He said something very important too, bro. Man, invest in yourself, man. Create your own brand. It's you. Man, you got one responsibility on that planet, y'all. Besides if you had kids. Man, look, man. It's on you. It's your responsibility to sit down and tap in with yourself and come up with the ideas that's going to make you and take you where you want and need to be. Hold on. And I'm going to say this one thing and I'm out of it. Look. You have to start with yourself, man. You know what I mean? And the thing about getting them ideas is most people be like, I don't know what to do. I don't do nothing. The thing about ideas is when you on a high level and you on the high vibration and you tapped in, them ideas come. You can't tell me you never had an idea to do something. You just probably never put no energy behind it or no motion behind it to actually make it happen. Everything that you see behind me, with me, these lights, everything I got, these cameras, all that, man, it started with an idea, shawty. So I don't want to hear, I don't know what to do. I don't have no idea. It's your responsibility to have them. But sit down, get still, meditate, pray, them ideas will come. The Most High send people ideas and innovative emotions to do all the time. You just too distracted to hear them and see them. You dig what I'm saying? So slow down, man. Get quiet. Cut off the phone. Erase the distractions, and the ideas are there, man. So that's uncommon sense from me and Money Man to get this money, man. You know what I'm saying, man? So to the next time, man, you want to hear some uncommon sense about some money and getting it? Come right here, man. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video and share it. Because to the next time, I'm out of it.